can you be helpful on YouTube?
Here are 4 simple ways to be helpful on YouTube.
What's up, guys? I'm Dylan,
I'm Patrick.
and as he just said, here are 4 simple ways to be helpful on YouTube. Now, the first way you can be helpful is mentally, through unboxing videos and reviews, where we could help you formulate your own opinion based on whatever product we're looking at.
Another way to be helpful on YouTube is through teaching. For example, how-to videos and tutorial videos where we can show you guys how to do multiple things.
The third way we can be helpful on YouTube is physically, by donating money to people, helping out local food drives, and all around just helping out the community as a whole.
The last way of being helpful on YouTube is emotionally, by making people smile and laugh through gaming and entertainment.
Alright guys, this has been 4 simple ways to be helpful on YouTube. And as you now know, we are the Mission Men.
We are now on a mission to complete all of the following, including gaming videos, tutorials, unboxings, and donations.
We want to know what you guys want to see from us next, so leave that down in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.